this is Miss Anna from the McHenry Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to create a cool DIY nature bookmark. All right, we're going to get started with our DIY nature bookmark. So hopefully you have picked up your kit from the McHenry Public Library. If you haven't, don't worry, we still have a few more kits available. All you have to do is give us a call and let us know that you're interested in picking up our DIY nature bookmark kit. So inside you're going to find the instructions, but don't worry, we'll be going over it in this video. So you are going to need contact paper. You are going to need cardstock. I've given you a few colors. We also have ribbon or string. I gave you a little bit of string. And I've also thrown in a few beads. The ribbon or string and beads are totally optional though. You are going to need scissors. This is so that you can trim your contact paper. A hole punch is optional. That's if you are adding the string or ribbon to your bookmark, as well as pressed flowers or leaves. So your first step is to actually collect flowers or leaves. So this is going to take a few days because you want to make sure that they are dried. So take a look around your backyard for interesting flowers or leaves. And with an adult's permission, this is super important, make sure that you ask before you take anything from your backyard. You can clip a few and press them between some wax paper. So once you do that, you can put something heavy on top of it and you can leave it for a few days. So here are my pressed flowers and leaves. You can see I've got a whole bunch of different ones right over here. And all I did, I just put it between some wax paper and then put my really heavy Harry Potter books on top. So once you have waited a few days for them to dry, you can start making your bookmark. So you're going to choose whichever cardstock you'd like. You can even put two different colors if you want to make a multicolored one. I'm just going to use one. And what you're going to do is you're going to layer your flowers in a way that you enjoy. So whatever design that you would like to make with your flowers. So all of these flowers are from my backyard. So it's pretty fun to go and look at which ones I wanted to use for this project. So once you have the design that you would like, you're going to take some contact paper. Now you might need to trim it down to size, and what you're going to do is you're going to layer it on top, okay? So you're going to cut it real quick. You should have enough contact paper to make at least 2 bookmarks, okay? So once you have it cut, very carefully, you're going to layer it on top, like that. Make sure to press it nice and smooth. And you're gonna flip it around and again, press it down so you can get it nice and smooth. So if you want, you can decorate this side as well. And then once you have a design that you're happy with, you're going to put another layer of contact paper. So I'm going to skip ahead real quick to my finished design, okay? So see you in a few seconds. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, I've added a design to the back, and I've put another layer of contact paper. So you can see I kind of went over the edges a little bit, but don't worry, you can always trim it once you are happy with your design. So we're just going to press all the air bubbles out. And once you have your bookmark, you can take your scissors and trim the edges. All right, so I have finished trimming my edges, and in fact I kind of liked it peeking out a little bit, so I left a little bit sticking out. And you can leave your bookmark like it is right now if you're happy with it, or using your hole puncher scissors you can make a hole for your string or ribbon, and you can add it then. So I am going to show you how to do that in case you are interested. So you're going to decide which you would like to be the top and which you would like to be the bottom. I think I'm going to choose this to be the top. And I have a hole punch, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I've got my hole ready, and you can string your ribbon or string through that hole. So what I like to do is I like to get the ends even right over here. And a really easy way to add some string to your bookmark is to pop it through the hole like that. And then once you have your loop, you just pull the ends through and then you tighten it. Just like that. And you can add a knot if you don't want that getting loose, which I'm going to do. And then you can either keep your string nice and long or you can trim it. There's also beads if you want to add that to the end of your string. So I think I'm going to make mine a little bit shorter. It's a little long right now. And you can either add your beads to the end over here, or you can tie them to the end of your string. Really, however you would like to design it. I think I'm going to add my beads to the top though. And I'm just happy with one. And I'm just going to add another knot, just like that. And that's basically all there is to it. That is how you make your nature bookmark. So each of your kits should have different colored cardstock. So really it is up to you to create a really cool design. And depending on what flowers and leaves you have available, each bookmark is going to look really unique. So I hope you had a fun time learning how to do a nature bookmark. And if you do make a nature bookmark, please feel free to share it on our Facebook. We would really love to see your designs, and especially if you could include what book you're reading your bookmark with. Thank you, and I hope you had a really great time watching this video. Make sure to check out all of our other awesome videos, as well as our other awesome programs that we have going on in August. Thanks, and goodbye.